C# was created by Anders Heilsberg at Microsoft. It was released in 2000 as part of the .NET framework. This new language was designed to be simple, yet powerful. The goal was to provide a modern alternative for building Windows applications. C# 1.0 included features like garbage collection and type safety. Garbage collection automatically manages memory. This helps developers avoid common errors. Type safety ensures that data types are used correctly. This leads to more reliable code. C# was embraced by developers. It offered a clean syntax and a robust set of libraries. Microsoft's .NET framework provided a solid foundation. This made C# a strong competitor to Java. The release of C# marked a turning point. It solidified Microsoft's commitment to modern software development practices. Developers now had a powerful tool for building the next generation of applications. C# 2.0 arrived in 2005 with significant improvements. Generics were introduced to enhance code reusability. This allowed developers to write code that could work with different data types. The introduction of anonymous types simplified coding. Nullable types brought more flexibility in handling data that might not have a value. Partial classes allowed splitting a class definition across multiple files, improving code organization. These enhancements made C# 2.0 a major upgrade. It simplified many programming tasks. Developers were empowered to write more efficient and maintainable code. The success of C# 2.0 cemented C#'s place as a primary language for .NET development. It also influenced the evolution of other programming languages. C# 3.0, released in 2008, was a pivotal release. It introduced LINQ, or Language Integrated Query, a powerful way to query and manipulate data. LINQ allowed developers to write queries directly within C# code. This simplified data access and made code more readable. C# 4.0 brought dynamic binding. This feature made it easier to work with dynamic languages like Python. It allowed developers to bypass compile time type checking for more flexibility. This opened up new possibilities for interoperability between different languages. These features showcase C#'s commitment to evolving with the times. They addressed the growing need for data manipulation and language interoperability. The introduction of LINQ and dynamic binding further strengthened C#'s position in the market. Developers were drawn to its versatility and the continuous stream of innovative features. C# continues to evolve. Each new version brings performance enhancements and new features. Asynchronous programming, introduced in C# 5.0, simplified the development of responsive applications. C# 6.0, and later versions focused on code simplification. Features like string interpolation and the Roslyn compiler made C# even more powerful and developer-friendly. Roslyn, an open-source compiler, provided advanced code analysis capabilities. Today, C# is used in a wide range of applications. From web and desktop development to game development and cloud computing, C# is a versatile choice. With its continued evolution, C# is well positioned for the future. Its ability to adapt to new technologies ensures its relevance in the ever-changing world of software development.